Good morning, guys. Ocean State Outdoors here again, and this morning we're gonna go fishing out on the boat. But yeah, I'm bringing Birdie. She's excited and has no idea why. She's never been on a boat before, so today's gonna be her first time. This should be interesting. What do you think, Bird? You excited? Are you excited? She's got no idea what we're doing.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Alright guys, Birdie's first time in the boat. Let's see how she does. It's okay. You see over there, you see the ducks? Good girl. You're a good girl. Alright, Birdie bird. I'm gonna move a little bit, okay? You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Yeah. Oh, you are. Hey, shush. Hey. We don't bark at people. No. No. Birdie. Ladybird. Hush. Shush. Shush. Fishing. We're not being obnoxious, we're fishing. I don't think Birdie likes the big motor. Ready? You're okay. Oh. I'm gonna toss that out there, see if we can get some bites. Right, Birdie? What do you think? Fix that ear. What's that ear doing? Gosh, she has not she has not stepped a foot away from me this whole time. All right, you big baby. All right. Where's the fishies, Bird? What's the matter, Birdie? This is not her favorite activity. Spot number 4011-5. Alright, change plans. Spinner bait. Uh-oh, bird, we're about to get marooned. Land ho! Oh no. Did I just miss my first fish of the day? Just peachy. Oh, there's a lot of poop on this rock over here. Oh yeah, there's a fish. Right there. Bird, you're gonna make me fall in the water. Can't be standing on my feet like that.
That's what you get for bringing me out on this stupid boat.
You can do it, come on. Oh, you're such a baby. Come on, catch your hand. There you go. Leave them be. Hush. Come on. Alright guys, so we didn't catch anything obviously, but you know, it's all about the experience for Birdie. We'll go with that. Birdie, did you have fun? Did you have fun? How was your first boat ride? How was your first boat ride? Not your favorite? No, not her favorite. Hey guys, so I was sitting here editing today's video and I realized that I didn't have an ending. So here's a video of Levi and I going to the playground.
When are we gonna stop?
Never. Ready? Science experiment. Whoa!
Whoa! How's it doing that? It's not even moving!
Oh.
How is it barely even moving? And we're going high up on a really high angle. That color's blue now.
Your favorite color is blue?
Then
Nice.
I was gonna feel like I was gonna fly off! Guys! I can't stop. Oh. Wait, have you...
And with that, we'll see you guys in the next episode.